Hello and welcome back to another video, and in this one we continue our journey through 1970s and 1980s classic Lego sets. This is the Classic Space 918 Space Transport. It came out in 1979 and consists of 82 parts and one minifigure. In this, as per the other ones, we'll be having a look at the manual, the box, and then a closer look at the set itself. So the manual's quite nice. It's kind of less of a a smaller one, and more square in shape. So you have the cover here that shows the set, and on the back you've got the base and the other items there. As you open it out, you can then see it's more of like a large, almost kind of poster-like in presentation. So if we start at number one, so you have those two images I showed you there, and then you can see it's a very simple build. Just build at the base, put your minifigure together, build it up slowly, add a few parts to there. So that's kind of the grey bit. Turn it over, put the minifigure in, and then what starts to bring it to life is these lovely blue blocks with the imagery on the sides and the front. Comes along, and then it all comes together with the final parts there. So in this one there's just like a tiny little nick there and some light creasing, but a really nice manual and a nice size. It'd be easy to display if someone wanted to. So that's the manual. Then having a look at the box. So the box has the same image on the front. It's one of those ones that kind of has a sleeve and then the box inner there. So the sleeve has the that image there on the side for 6 years. The rear of it, whatever was here has been cut out, so that part of the sleeve is missing. This bit is on the inside part, as we'll have a look at in a second. If we come around here, you've got the nice Legoland there and another image, and then on the rear side we have a number of different angles, and again something has been cut out from the middle of this box here. So if I take the inside out, you can see more clearly. This section here is missing, and this section here is missing, but when it's all together, actually it's still a decent enough box, and you don't really notice until it's open, but certainly worth pointing out. For the inner, it's really nice because you've got the ends are all good, and it has this kind of space theme just along here, which is really nice. And on the back, a kind of landing pad or runway that's just there straight away for use. Moving on to the model, as you saw, it was quite a simple build with the what did I say, it was the 82 parts, wasn't it? 82 parts and one minifigure. So you build up the grey base. It's got these kind of 3 feet and the central part as well, and then you have this lovely Classic Space iconography. This side is pivoted, so you can open that up to see your minifigure inside. He has some controls just down there at the front with this next to his steering wheel. Some kind of positioning lights around here, aerial, fin and the booster, and then just kind of a couple of storage compartments for popping things inside there should you wish. But a really nice set. So in summary, this was a Classic Space 918, which is the Space Transport set. It's got a lovely kind of almost poster-sized manual, just with some creasing and that tight, very small nick there that I pointed out. The box is nice, but it does have this section here and this section cut out. The inner is absolutely fine, nothing of note. So you can see when you put them together, it almost disguises that part there and almost disguises the back. And then all the pieces have been checked online to ensure that it's a complete set, and then also built as well to spot anything that might be wrong. So I hope you enjoyed a look through that vintage set. If you like this, check out the playlist. Until the next one, all the best, take care and see you.